What is up, V Nation? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Daddy. So right here we have a 2020 Tesla Model 3. It's got about 15,000 kilometers, so it's due for a tire rotation. So, and I'm also gonna be upgrading my wheels. I will show you guys what I mean later on. So right now I'm in my normal road test area by Milltown right here. So there's the screen, guys, tells you the speed, GPS, all that stuff. So I want to show you guys what this Tesla Model 3 looks like with the Aero hubcaps, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like without it. So that's what it looks like, guys. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys at the shop. please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're updated on my new videos. Thanks. V Nation, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Daddy. So right here we have the 2020 Tesla Model 3. As you guys saw, I guess took out the hubcaps for it, the aero hubcaps. So now I want to show you guys what it looks like after the aero hubcaps has been removed. It looks a lot nicer. There's actually a nice rim underneath that aero hubcap, which oops, my bad, there's a bump right there, sorry about that. So as you guys can see, it's a beautiful day in Vancouver, BC. Nice and sunny, 12 degrees. I should be riding right now, but my motorcycle is not insured at the moment. It will be in next month. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys quickly what it looks like without the aero hubcaps. So that's what it looked like, guys. What do you guys think? Is it better than with the aero hubcaps or without the aero hubcaps? Comment down below, guys. So that's a fairly simple mod to do. It costs nothing. So one more thing actually. So you could also customize the display on your car. This used to have the aero hubcaps, but you could go into vehicle and then service and then choose wheel configuration, and then right here you pick this 18-inch aero cap kit. So you have to order that cap kit with the center cap. So that is it, guys. So once again, thank you for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.